How to turn off promotions in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the Chrome browser on your device and search for gmail.com. As you can see, I've already tuned in for gmail.com, and make sure that you have switched on desktop mode by tapping on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. So here you can see the desktop side, it's been toggled on. Now as I logged into your account, you can see the settings icon over here. So tap on it and simply scroll down and tap on the option of inbox type. So here you can see the customize option. So let's tap on customize, and you can see the promotions tab has been toggled on. So simply what you need to do is toggle off this option, then tap on save, and you'll be able to turn off promotions in Gmail. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.